Welcome to this video on hardware versus software. Today, we'll explore one of the most fundamental concepts in computing, understanding the difference between hardware and software. These two components work together to make computers function, but they serve very different purposes. Let's start with hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system that you can actually touch, see, and feel. Think of hardware as the body of the computer. It's the tangible parts that make up the machine itself. Some common examples of hardware include the monitor you look at, the keyboard you type on, and the mouse you use to navigate. Inside the computer, there's the CPU or processor, RAM or memory, and the motherboard that connects everything. Storage devices like hard drives and SSDs are also hardware. Even external devices like printers and scanners fall into this category. Now let's talk about software. Software consists of the programs, instructions, and data that tell the hardware what to do and how to operate. Unlike hardware, software is intangible. You cannot physically touch it. Think of software as the mind or brain of the computer that controls all operations. Examples of software include operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux that manage your computer's resources. Word processors help you create documents. Web browsers allow you to access the internet. Games and mobile applications are also types of software. All of these are sets of instructions that run on the hardware. The key differences between hardware and software are quite distinct. Hardware is physical and tangible, while software is digital and intangible. Hardware can wear out over time due to physical use, but software doesn't wear out. However, replacing or upgrading hardware is typically difficult and expensive, whereas software can be easily updated, installed, or removed with just a few clicks. Here's the important part. Hardware and software must work together. Hardware provides the physical platform, the actual machine that performs computations. Software provides the instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Without hardware, software has no place to run. Without software, hardware is just an empty machine with no purpose. Both are absolutely essential for a computer to function properly. To summarize, remember this simple analogy. Hardware is the body, and software is the mind. Neither works without the other. Just like a body needs a mind to function, and a mind needs a body to act, hardware and software depend on each other to create a working computer system. Understanding this relationship is fundamental to understanding how computers work.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.